Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Movie Organizing and Movie Booking. In olden days, the movies were projected through film reels. Later, digital projects came into the usage. Now the movies are projected through satellite. To get the movies to be projected, the distributor needs to buy the license of the movies. The audience book the movie tickets online. By the means of this project, we are making the operations were developing the website for movie organizing and booking system. So distributors can book the movie license and buy the license for the in this website. So this is here in this website we have three modules like admin, studio, and theater. Coming to the flow of this website, this is the flow diagram. Here, the admin can log into the website with the predefined login credentials like email address and password or username or password. So after logging into the website, admin can add the locations and view the locations in the view locations page. By entering the location name, the admin can add the locations to this website. So after adding the location, the studios will get registered into the website with the studio name, email address, phone number, and a studio license. By uploading the license and ID proof of the studios will get registered into the website. After registration, the admin can view the studios in the View Studios page. And after verifying the license of the studios, the admin can make active them. So by clicking the activate button, the studios will be activated by admin. Before activation, the student will not log in into the website without activation. After the admin activation or authentication, the studios will get login into the website with the registered email address and password. So after entering into the website, the studios can add the movies to this website with the movie title, movies picture, wall, and by uploading the license of the movie. So like this, the about the movie details, all the details of the movie, the studios will add the movies to the website and view the movies in the view the added movies history in the view movie page. So after adding the movies to the website, the theaters will log in into the register into the website with the theater name, email address, phone number, and address of the theater and the license. By providing all the information about the theaters will get registered into the website. After registration, the admin can view the theaters and make them active after the authentication. So after verifying the theaters, the admin can make them active. After activating the theaters, the admin will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. After login, the theaters can view the studios which are enter into the website. So they can view the studios and select the studios, and in that particular studios, the theaters can view the movies which are added by the studios. So after viewing the movies details, the theaters can buy the license for that particular movie. So in that, by clicking the buy license button, in that the theaters can add the schedules to that particular movie. So by adding the schedules, and they can also add the screens. After adding the screens only, the schedules will be added by the theaters. So they can add and view the screens. After this, the theaters can view the contract request. Send the contract request by clicking the buy license button. So after adding the schedule, the theaters can send the contract request to the studios, and studios can view the contract request and make them approve or reject. According to the details of the theater, they can verify the details, and if they want to reject the contract, they can reject the contract. And if the studios want to approve the request, they can click on the approve button and approve the request. After approving the request, the studios can enter the amount of the license, and after entering the license, the studios will be approve the request and confirm the booking. So after confirmation and approving the request, the theaters can view the contract requests. All the approved and rejected details will be viewed in the view contract request page. So after approving, the theaters can change the status as contract approved. And after this, the theaters, by clicking the buy license button, the theaters can buy the license. They can buy the license, and with the payment, they can buy the license, and the status will be changed as license issued in the both studios and theaters pages. So this is the flow of the website. Let's see the output of this website. So here we have three modules like admin, studio, and theater. So I'm logging into the admin page now. So username as admin, password admin. So after logging into the website, the admin can add the locations first. After adding the location, admin can view the locations here, and studios. Next, studios will get registered into this website. So we will register first. This is the studios registration form. Here we have the studios name, like sorry, Anthony's, and email address at gmail.com. So with the email address, phone number, and password, address. So register. After clicking the register button, the studios will get registered into the website successfully. So after the registration, admin will verify them and make them active. So this is the studios which are registered into this website. So this is the status will be like unauthorized. So by activating this action, the status will be changed as authorized. So after activating the studios will log in into the website with the registered email address, and password. Login. This is the home page for studios, and here the studio details will be displayed with the name, phone number, and email address. After entering into the website, the studios can add the movies. So by giving the name, so with the name, year of release, poster, and UVA, certification number, and description. Description will be added like this, and movie certification, picture. So here I'm adding the picture of the movie certification, and by clicking this add movie button, the movie will be added to website successfully. So after adding the movie, the studios can view the movie in this page. So by clicking this view certificate button, the certificate will be displayed like this. And here we have view contracts request. We don't have any requests now. So we'll get into the theaters and register like a theater. With the email address, name and password, phone number, password, address, choose location, register. After registration, if the theater is trying to log in into the website, what will happen, we'll see. So I'm logging into the website without any verification. So what will happen, we'll see. So here, like this, that is login will be displayed. So your account is not verified. So we'll get into the admin now and get verified by admin. So admin can check the details of the theaters and make them active. So after activating the admin, the theaters will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. So after this, the theaters will be displayed like this. So this is the information about the theaters, and here the theaters can view the studios which are activated by admin and add the screens, view the movies and add the screens. So after adding the screens with the name, show one, first show timings, one, we'll add the timings of the show, 9 o'clock. Show 2 will be 12 o'clock. We'll add like this. And 3 o'clock. I'm adding 3 o'clock. Show 3 will be 3 o'clock. And show 4 will be 6 o'clock. After this, number of seats. Add screen. Screen added successfully. So we can also view the screens here, which are added by theaters only. So we can view the movies which are added by studios. So after viewing the movies, the certifications will be displayed here also. The theaters can view the movie certification and buy the license by clicking the buy license button. So with the from date and to date, the theaters will be added to schedule by choosing the screen. The schedule will be added to particular movie. So after adding the schedule, the contracts will be sent. Here we have the status like movie schedule request sent. So after sending the request, the theaters can log in into the website. Studios can log in into the website and will verify into the admin first. We'll see the studio name here. So studios. Log in into the website again. And check the requests. So view movie. In that, we have view contract request button. So by clicking this button, the status will be here like movie schedule request sent. So by entering this license amount, the request will be approved by the studios. So I'm adding the amount here, movie license, 50,000. I'll add 50,000. So approved. So here the status also will be changed, quote schedule approved. So after approving the schedule, log out from the website and log in into the theaters page again. The email and password. And we can view the contract request here. Here we have two buttons like cancel and accept. So if we want to cancel this particular request, they can click on the cancel button and the theaters can cancel the request. Here also the status will be changed as schedule approved. So I'm accepting this request. So after this, the amount will be paid, which are added by the studios. The amount will be paid in this payment page. So by entering the card number, this card number must be in 16 digits. So 16 digits number. So with the name, the payment will be paid. License amount paid successfully. After paying the license amount, the status will be changed as movie license issued. So log out from the website. Here also we can check the studios. Here also we can check the status of the request. So movie license issued. So after paying the amount, the license will be issued to that particular movie. So this is the movie organizing and booking system. So hope you guys all understand. Thank you.